Pete Zielinski, Additive Manufacturing Media at Formnext 2023 in Frankfurt, Germany. One technology innovation I saw involved accelerating additive manufacturing just through a control algorithm with no hardware change to the machine. In laser powder bed fusion, a recoater pass at every layer is part of the process. Renishaw's Tempus technology reduces the delay for that recoater step by enabling the laser to keep on melting material ahead of and in the wake of the recoater arm moving. Another way to think about it, the laser is just always scanning the powder bed, but the control algorithm is keeping track of the precise position of the recoater arm at every given moment and just not directing the laser there. How much time this change depends on the geometry of the part. So a part like this, the base of the part, there might be a relatively high amount of laser time relative to the duration of that recoat pass. So maybe the reduction in cycle time here is, let's say, 25%. But in a part like this, the amount of laser melting at every layer is relatively small, and so the laser time might be in balance with the recoat time. In a case like this, the build time could be cut in half.